जिंदगी मेरी जिंदगी है तेरे बिना न हम जी सकेंगे यहाँ एक पल। तेरी जिंदगी मेरी जिंदगी है तेरे बिना न हम जी सकेंगे यहाँ एक पल। Happy 30th birthday Aditya Narayanan Ja. Many more happy returns of the day Aditya Narayan Ja. Aditya Narayan Ja is active since 1992. Aditya Narayan married Sweta Agarwal in 2020. Both of them blessed with one children. Happy 30th birthday Aditya Narayanan. Many more happy returns of the day Aditya Narayanan.